Welcome back, everybody. So it's been a while since we talked, I know. I had to take a couple of weeks off following Halloween just to relax and rejuvenate and recuperate from all of the havoc that led up to our favorite holiday. But I think it was a pretty good success. We didn't get all that many trick-or-treaters. I think we got less than 20. But, some of the neighbors came by to say hi and thank you for always putting on our Halloween display, and I know they were excited about it, even if they didn't all come around on Halloween to say so. But I had a good time. I hope you all did too, and I'm looking forward to next year. So it's already time to start planning and putting in all of our project ideas and working on those as we lead up to the next 11 and a half months, I suppose. But it is a new month, and as I like to do, I do want to give a shout out to all of my wonderful patrons who joined us last month. I did actually get 5 new patrons in October, so I wanted to say thank you very much to B. Hugh, Cathy Lacy, Heather St. John, Jessica Thomason, and Lady D. Thank you all very much for helping to support the channel. If those of you who are watching are interested in doing so as well, you can check out the link below for more details. But thank you all very much for that wonderful support. The 5 this month, last month, are joining our wonderful existing patrons that include Allison Waldron, Indiana Jones, Carla Perea, Craig Thomas, Eerie Eric, Fredrickson, Gareth Brewer, Halloween Inflatable Geek, Kip and Jace, Lauren McLean, Nancy Hoffman, Paula Allison, Prince Alarming 85, Shannon Fredrickson, Sharon Thomas, Skull Crane Entertainment, Spooky Bev, Spooky Spectacle, Stephanie Schrutek, Stephen Miles, Teara, and Terry and Jacob's World. Thank you all for supporting the channel. It is, again, much appreciated. And for those of you who are unable to join our Patreon team, thank you for joining us all these videos and liking and commenting and subscribing and so forth. Again, really appreciate it. Thank you so much. But as I like to do also, for those of my patrons who have YouTube channels, we're going to go ahead and take a look quickly and see what they are up to. All right, first up here we have As You Sow, and that is Heather St. John's channel. She just started this year, right before COVID started, and then, of course, everything went crazy. So she's got a nice intro video up here, and let's just take a quick peek here. I'm going to just mute it, but just wanted to kind of show you that she does costume work, and it's amazing. So be sure to check out her channel for interesting costumes and sewing projects and so forth. Hopefully we'll be seeing some more videos from her coming up soon. Next up is Indiana Jones, and as we all know, Indiana Jones has been a long-time patron of the channel and does fantastic videos. Definitely a plethora of videos on all sorts of matters, not just Halloween, but year-round. She does all sorts of holidays, all sorts of crafts, DIYs, and so forth. So lately, let's see, what are we looking at here? Unfortunately, haven't had much of an opportunity to keep up lately. I have been sort of off YouTube altogether, but she's done some ice cream shoes for Christmas. That's interesting. I'll have to definitely check that out. But making stuff for Christmas, high-end gingerbread, definitely want to check that out. And she does these wonderful videos that are epic craft battles, where she and other crafting YouTubers battle to make some sort of craft and see who can do it better, but they're all wonderful. Autumn Soup, here we go. Elvira makeup tutorial, ugly sweater DIY, garlands, and so forth. So Indiana Jones puts out videos every single day, so make sure that you check them out. Fredrickson does some amazing Halloween videos. Doesn't look like she's done anything new since we last had the opportunity to check in, but there are fun, crafting, amazing, high production value videos that you should definitely be checking out. Gareth Brewer does Create at Home with G and Create at Home with Elf Creations, so right now he should be well into his zone because we all want to create at home with Elf. So let's see what he has been up to. I'm making some floral arrangements, decorating for Christmas, monthly card videos. He does lots of card creation videos, Christmas florals, and so forth. So check that out. Now, just scrolling down a little bit, I don't know if I saw this one on our last our last look at his videos, I should say. Looks like he's done some candy corn decor, so definitely that's up the Halloween alley. He's got a lot of old Halloween videos as well, but it's time to maybe move toward Christmas and the winter holidays. All right, Halloween Inflatable Geek. Looks like his last video was right before Halloween. I know how we can box ourselves in with our Halloween channels, but we can do Halloween year-round. And we can certainly look to his videos for inspiration. Looks like lately he's gotten an alien from Home Depot. I wanted to get that myself. I'm very jealous. It looks like we've got some a video of his display, and he's got some interesting window effects and some Spirit Halloween store shopping. Of course, again, that was a couple of weeks ago. I don't think we're going to find any Spirit stores anymore, but if you want to see what you missed, check out his videos. Skull Crane Entertainment likes to review animated props, and of course, since our last video as well, our last look at his videos, I should say, he's got some interesting behind the scenes Horrorplex Hotel Halloween. I was actually kind of fascinated by that, especially with the walkthrough. I love that hotel sign. He's got some very interesting display videos, but then of course all of the animated videos as well, including things like the possessed haunted talking portrait, and looks like an animated zombie baby, and of course some Christmas ones starting to sneak in here as well, singing and dancing snowflakes. Spooky Bev does some spooky videos, but doesn't look like we've had anything for this season yet, so hopefully we'll see something from Spooky Bev soon. Spooky Spectacle has a couple of new videos as well. Click on the video tab here, and we can see since our last check-in, let's see, we've got, a DIY mausoleum. I think we saw that one last time. So since then we have gotten some spooky bouquet videos, DIY on making some ghost children in the yard. I used to actually do that myself in a little bit different fashion, but I always had the ones made with sheets, and I would put them out in the yard, and I don't know, they're fun and everybody loves them. And some post-Halloween haul videos. Last up here we have Terry and Jacob's World, who also put out a video about every day or so. And it looks like we are also merging into the Christmas season, but there are some Halloween haunt videos that we didn't quite catch last time, so be sure to check it out if you want to see their Halloween activities this year. And then again, some Christmas stuff. A look at the new Christmas, the Limax Toy Factory, a Christmas Story Village, and so forth. It's always nice to see what they are up to. But with that out of the way, I know what you are all eagerly awaiting is this month's giveaway. I was hoping I would find a lot of after Halloween sales this year, but it seemed like the clearance happened way before Halloween, and by the time Halloween was over, almost everything that I was interested in anyway seemed to be all wiped out. So I don't have, as I was kind of thinking I would, a big Halloween clearance fun item to present to you. So I thought we would just start moving on to that next holiday, which we all know is Christmas or Hanukkah or whatever winter holiday you might celebrate. So I'm going to be doing a Christmassy giveaway this month. And that would be for these projection effects. I've got 3 of them. I thought I would do 3 separate giveaways this month. 3 winners in the giveaway, which we will do next, well, not this upcoming Tuesday, but the next one, the 24th, I believe it is. We'll do it at 9 p.m. Eastern live here on my channel. Be sure to join us if you want. We'll pull out a clue game and do an elimination one at a time to see who the 3 remaining suspects are that will win. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, check out my old giveaway videos. You'll see it's a lot of fun. Hope you'll join us. But if not, you don't need to be present to win. So, but if you are, it is a lot more fun. But like I said, it's going to be for one of these projection effects. I bought these several years ago from the At-Home store. They retailed for $13 each, and I thought I would, test them out on my house. Never got around to it, even though one box is a little beat up. It was never used. So they are little projections that you just shine on your house, and they have a little scene. So this one is Santa with a reindeer. This one is a Christmas tree, and this one is a snowman. In order to win, you are going to need to leave me a comment below. And let's see, what will this month's question be? Are you going to, Thanksgiving's right around the corner. Are you going to be preparing any special dish? If so, what is it? Or what is your favorite Thanksgiving dish? Give me some inspiration, because I like to eat, and I want some good new recipes. If you've got good recipes to share, be sure to do it as well. Or let me know either in the comments below. Well, leave me a comment below to enter, but you can also join our Facebook group page, Happy Haunting, and maybe leave us some fun recipes over there as well. So that will be it. Again, we are nearing the holiday season. So one last plug. If you're going to be doing your online shopping, your Cyber Monday sales, or things, post Black Friday, post Thanksgiving sales, whatever you need to do, and you're shopping on Amazon, be sure to click my link in the description of these videos. That will take you to Amazon, and then it will give a referral credit to the channel, which helps support the channel as well. Doesn't add anything extra to the prices of your items or anything. Again, it's just a referral credit, which helps out the channel. So with that plug, and one last thank you to my patrons, I'll leave it at that, and hopefully we'll see you Tuesday after this one, and we'll give these fun things away, and maybe by that time I'll have some opportunities to do some of my thrift store haul videos and start collecting some more goodies to give boxes of fun Halloween stuff away throughout the year. But we'll probably do another Christmassy type giveaway in December, but I don't know, getting ahead of myself, one thing at a time. So that'll do it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Hope you had a wonderful Halloween, and you will have a wonderful holiday coming up. So that'll do it. Thanks again. Stay safe, take care, and happy haunting.